We're at GoToMath.com. Click on the algebra there, Chief. We're doing radical equations, and we're looking at 4.1. 4.1. Okay, this problem here is going to probably be about a 6-minute problem. We got 3x squared minus x minus 6, and that's equal to something new. I feel like Dr. Seuss this month. Yes, I do. Okay, so we have plus x and then plus 9. Boop. Okay, so we got a radical. We can, on both of these, we can go ahead and square. If you square both of them, so I guess we better not cut any corners. We don't want to do that. So that means we're going to square this one, and then we will square the right side. That'll get rid of the radicals. Okay, so that gets rid of the radicals. 3x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 2x squared plus x plus 9. Now, let's get this in a quadratic equation in standard form. And that is, we're going to go ahead and take the 2x squared over to the left. So we got 3x squared minus 2x squared. We got minus x. Bring this x over to the left. That'll make that minus x. Then we got minus 6. Bring that 9 over and we got minus 9. Alright, now let's collect up some like terms. We got 3x squared minus 2x squared, so that's just going to give us x squared, and that's going to be minus 2x minus 15. There we go. So we did plenty of these in a previous section. And now what we'll want to do is go ahead and factor that, set our linear factors equal to 0, and we will be done almost. Because remember, we got to go back and check this stuff. Let's see, 15. What's that going to be? 3 and 5? But how am I going to get 2 out of that? 3 and 5. Oh. Yeah, so plus 3 minus 5. Negative. See, 3 times 5 is just negative. You add them, you get negative 2. That's right. So for this linear factor, we got x is equal to negative 3, so that's a possible solution. And then x minus 5. Not sure what happened there. Set that equal to 0, and we get x is equal to 5. So our two possible solutions are negative 3 and 5. And now what we'll need to do is go ahead and plug them in and find out. So let's start with negative 3. Okay, we'll start with negative 3. I think I got enough room right down here. So we got 3 times negative 3. We're just going to go ahead and plug it in instead of rewrite the whole thing over again. Negative 3 minus 6, and of course this could be possibly equal to, that's in question. Sometimes that's what we do. And then we'll go ahead and plug it in over here on the right. So we have 2 times negative 3 squared plus negative 3 and then plus 9. Okay. Alright, so what do we got going on here? This is going to be 9. Let's see, what is that going to be? What are we doing here? Zoned out there. Okay, now that's 27 plus 3 is 30 minus 6 is 24. Okay, let's do that over here. So that's 9. 2 is 18. What am I doing here? Okay, this is 9 and 9. 3 9s are 27. And then minus 3, that's 24 also, right? Yeah. So negative 3 is a solution. And what was our other 5? You know what? Let's just save some time here. Can we do that? We're all big grown up now. Can we do that? 3 times 5 is 15. 15 might... This might be confusing. We better not... What time is it? 5:43? I said this was a 6-minute problem, didn't I? Okay. So 5 minus 6. So that's going to be 15 minus 5 is 10. And 10 minus 6 is... what is that? 4? I write all that down right? Alright, let's look at this one here. So we got 2 times 5. What is going on? We got 5 plus 5 plus 9. Okay, that is definitely you know what? I'm like going, something is not going on right here. Okay. What is that? Minus 11. Alright, we've got 25. That's 75. 75 minus 5 is 70. Minus 6 is 64. Okay, let's look at this one here. So that's 25. That's 50. 55. And 55 and 9 is not 74. I don't believe. Minus 5, minus 6. 64. Know what I said? I can't remember what I said. 64. Oh, Lord. 64. Yep. Okay, so this is equal to, right, 64, 64, so they're both equal. So 5 is a solution, so we could just say then, solution set is negative 3, 5. Okay. That was almost an 8-minute problem. Okay, so we're over here, go to math.com, getting worked out. See you next problem there, Chief.